Hello and welcome. Introduction time today to my new pouring medium. See, it's called Keep It Simple, KIS, Keep It Simple pouring medium. Been developing this particular pouring medium with Globalcolours Australia to get the best pouring medium to actually create cells without the use of adding any silicone or any Floetrol. So this is my method with my pouring medium. I still mix the pouring medium the same. It's 100 mils of pouring medium and I'm adding 30 mils of water. So that's what you're seeing with the jug there. So for every 100 mils, so if you wanted to make up 100 mils, it'll be 70 mils of pouring medium and 30 mils of water. And I use warm water to mix it. I just find that works better in blending it all together. So what I'm doing here is giving you the demonstration of how wonderful our very own pouring medium works without adding any silicone or no Australian Floetrol at all. So it's just a pouring medium and water and global paints. So I'm doing me original sort of pour that I first started off with acrylic pour journey, doing a kind of a wiggle pour. So using all those lovely yummy Globalcolours. All the links for everything will be below in the drop down box, but you're going to be able to buy this pouring medium I believe all over the world. So I'm just waiting for the links to get it. I think it'll be on Amazon in the US and probably the same in UK and Europe, but I will double check with those facts. But I just want you to see how simple and easy this is to achieve the cells. What I've added here is the fluoro pink, and it was the what was that blue that I added? I can't. It was metallic silver, and I think it was cerulean blue, and that was a bit of, I think it was navy. And now I'm on to a dusty pink, which was, well, actually it's a really nice baby pink. It was actually just white, and I added a little dash of that fluoro pink and it created that beautiful pale pink. Now all I'm going to do is tilt it over the other colours and it just slide nicely. The other thing I didn't mention, I think, when I did that mix was once I've mixed my pouring medium up in my jug and it's mixed, then I just add it to each paint colour that I want to work with that particular day, just bit by bit, stirring until you get the same consistency in each colour. And believe it or not, each colour can require different amounts of pouring medium. That's why I'm not going to say, well, you need 50% paint, 50% pouring medium, because different colours, particularly metallics, need less pouring medium sometimes or more pouring medium. So it is definitely just a practice and consistency in mixing your paints so you get them all the creamy consistency that I've got. This isn't thin a mix at all, because I'm going to do a swipe with my new Keep It Simple pouring medium, KIS. And I'm going to use even my swipe colour that I will be using on it will just be exactly the same. It'll be the, I think I'm going to use the phthalo blue just mixed with my pouring medium. And this has, phthalo blue. And this has absolutely no silicone and no Australian Floetrol. And you see these magic results you get, and this is what we've been working on, or I've been working on, along with Global Colours Australia, to get this fantastic effect that a lot of acrylic pourers are looking for, but without any of the other additives. So here you go, there's just a soft plastic file divider just swiped gently through the colours. I probably put a little bit too thicker swipe colour, but it's still gonna work perfectly. So if you just watch the magic happen. Very excited about this particular pouring medium, and just so happy to be able to have the one product to go with my paint. And it definitely is, as the bottle says, keeping it simple, and no silicone to worry about, and no expensive Floetrol to add to your paint. Look, the cells just popping straight up with no other additives. It's very exciting, and I am super duper happy about this. So hope that you guys get to try it once we know where it's going to be for sale in your particular country or area or province. It will definitely be for sale in Australia soon. Very excited. So as you can see, it's just the normal swipe that I've been doing with this particular kind of Wiggles pour for a number of years, a couple of years I guess. And I've added no heat or anything to that, and the cells have just popped up all on their own. I am using the heat one now, but as you've seen, that the cells and that beautiful effect popped up before I use the heat one. So I'm going to bring you on down and have a look at these absolutely stunning results. Wow, wow, wow. No Floetrol, just my pouring medium. Wow, wow, wow. So you get those cells and absolutely no pouring medium. That is marvellous. And those colours look absolutely wonderful. And with that dark sea, which is that colour, it's like putting it's the silver actually that's the metallic. See, it's making that blue and that look as though they're metallic, but they're not. It's the metallic silver in there, makes it all sheeny, shiny. It's kind of reflecting back, sorry, but that is absolutely gorgeous. That's the kind of cells you're going to get from my pouring medium. So absolutely over the moon with that. Very, very nice. Very nice. So I'm going to try a different technique with the same pouring medium and move on. So thank you so much for joining me today, and onwards and upwards we go, and another technique with the same pouring medium tomorrow, hopefully. Bye for now. Rightio, I'm going to take it to I'm going to jillify it, and the KIS pouring medium, keep it simple pouring medium. Let's see how a balloon kiss works in this lovely pouring medium. Of course, it wouldn't be linked to me if it wasn't a balloon kiss in it. So here we go, we'll give this a try. So I'm just about to blow up my balloon, any old balloon, and this is literally, I just blow it up obviously with with air from my mouth. So I do often use another balloon that I put under the cold water tap and just run a bit of water in it, so it's just a little balloon, just because it adds a bit more weight, which you'll see me use that for a bit further detail. But let's see. Oh, looky, look how perfect the balloon kiss comes in our new KIS pouring medium. Keep it simple pouring medium, definitely keeping it simple. So I think this is fail safe for people that say I can't get the pouring medium correct, or I can't get this, I can't get that. If you get the consistency of your paint correct, you'll get beautiful results like this with the keep it simple pouring medium. I could not be happier with that. And there you go, that's what I mentioned before, is just my little balloon that I've put a bit of water in, And it just adds a little bit of weight to work with that small balloon and add some finer detail in there.